What does nature gives me? Why all the time? I want to spend my most of the time sitting here in stillness, in solitude, with this serenity. What calls for it? What is my calling? Why? I'm always inclined each day of my life to spend more and more sitting with this powerful, magical, amazing, beautiful creation of God. Open sky, abundance of love, abundance of blessings, abundance of connection. I feel under this. This wind, when it touches me, I feel the most love. When I touch myself after this, I feel like a baby. This beautiful breath in and out, unstoppable, doing its wonderful job. When I feel it, I am so grateful about it. Each time when I smell the flowers around me, I feel this is just me. The sound of the water, the winds blowing, the birds chirping, and me just completely surrendering to all this. Each day I found myself. Each day I find more and more to love about myself. Each day I am more grateful to be a part of this unique creation.